Good morning. Our today's topic is poster design and subtopic is music event. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black macro tip pen, 1/4 size drawing paper or a drawing book. Now before we start the drawing, first we are going to draw 1 centimeter border onto a page. Keep your paper vertical and on the top write down our topic, poster design, music event. On the left hand corner write down today's date. Now first we are going to draw a rectangle of 22 centimeter length and 28 centimeter height. For that, take 1.5 centimeter distance from the left hand side border line. Take a 2 points and join together to get left hand side part. Then from this line take 22 centimeter distance. Now we get right hand side part of the rectangle. Now from the top border line take 3.5 centimeter distance. Take 2 points and join together. Now this is our upper part for the rectangle, and from this upper part take 28 centimeter distance to complete our rectangle. This is our 22 centimeter length and 28 centimeter height rectangle. Now we are going to start the drawing. Both the parts we required here, drawing and invitation. The half part is for the drawing, half part for the invitation. For that we divide the two parts with this wavy line. Now here we are going to draw, and here we have our write up is write down. Now let's start the drawing with a 2B pencil. Drawing should be light and clear. First roughly we are going to arrange a drawing on a left hand side part of the rectangle. The objects we required for the drawing for the music events. And then we are going to now finalize with a dark line with a 2B pencil and put some details for these objects. Now for our music event we require some instrument, and all these instruments we are going to draw here. Here we are going to draw a guitar, but in a designed form. Here we are going to draw poster design and an invitation. So we don't require a realistic object here. This is a one kind of design only. Before this poster design we learn many kind of poster designs for the Save Tiger, Save Water, or comic book, Today we are making a poster design for the music event, like an advertising. Drawing should be clear. Don't draw again and again and dark. First you are going to arrange the drawing on a paper. Roughly you are going to draw and then darken with 2B pencil. If you draw again and again and erase it, your paper get messy sometime and the lines of the drawing remain there on a paper, and after coloring they might be look on your paper and it's look dirty, so you always draw lightly and then finalize with a dark pencil. Now the drawing part is complete. Now we are going to draw or write a annotation. Now we draw approximately 1 centimeter to margin lines for the date. Now this is our font. Now first we are going to arrange on a paper and then finalize. Now this is properly arranged. Now we are going to bold this font. You can use clutch pencil also here. Because I want some narrow lines here, I am using a clutch pencil with a 2B leads. Now take approximately 2 cm distance from this date and take 3 cm distance margin line between two lines and draw a main heading music. First roughly arrange and then bold a line with the pencil. Now everywhere we have to change a font so it's look different. For the date I use a different font, and for the music event I am using a different font. Now take approximately half centimeter distance in between this both the words and take 2.5 centimeter approximate distance for this event and then draw like we draw a music. Then in single line write down organized by. Now we are going to write down the academy name who is organizing this event. I am write down here Kala Academy of Music here. This font is same which we use for the date, Kala Academy music, and in between this Kala Academy and music we write down off with the single line. This is the venue for our music event with the single line. Now this is our drawing completed. Now we are going to start the coloring. Here we are going to first color this drawing and then trace with the black macrotip pen. First we fill up this right up part with the red color. I am using transparent red color for this part. Every time I'm using a different techniques for the coloring and the drawing. That's why I'm using first coloring and then tracing technique today, so you can learn how to first color and then trace. Now for that I am using transparent color here so that we can see a drawing easily here. See the music events and all the right up part I can see right now here. Now we start coloring different objects. The leaf with the red color. Now this is a design, and we can use any color for any object. Like I'm using here red color for the leaf. We can use because this is a design, and in design any object with any color we can use. Like you learn in a primary section, the when we draw geometrical objects or the flowers and leaves in a 2D design, and there we take any color scheme like primary colors or the secondary colors we are using, and that time we fill up uh, any color in any forms or any shade in a surface given, and same technique we are using in this poster design because this is a one kind of design only, but this is an advanced design. First we'll learn a basic design in a box with the geometrical forms, flowers, leaves and birds, but now we are going to move to the advanced level, and we are learning posters, story illustrations, then design for the flower pot or for the handbag. And now these are our forms and the color scheme. Also we learn a different color scheme beyond primary and secondary colors, tertiary and quaternary. First I fill up all the red colors here. Now I am fill up pink color for the variety of this color scheme. I wanted to dark the red part, so I am using more darken color for this surface. Now I am making some dimension here. For that I fill up a dark tone of the red here, so it's get dimensions also. Generally we color with the basic shades in a design, but in advanced level we can give a dimensions with the 3 shades in a design also. Now we are going to fill up a pink colors forms. Generally, we use three shades in our objects, but you can use this in design also for the variety. Now I am going to fill up a second tone of the red on the given surface. In the right up part also we add some dark tone from the upper side and merge it down, so we get a gradation from the up to down. Now all pink and red part we done. Now we start with a different tone. Light blue color we fill up here. Generally when we use a poster colors we need patience while coloring, because we need to fill up the color in a proper dimension, in a proper surface, and if you don't have patience and perfection you can't do that. That's why you need to practice more for the coloring. First outline the surface of the object and then fill up inside. Now all light blue we first fill up in all objects. When we color any object with the poster colors, first we need to make a proper color. Generally I see most of the students uh, make color very much uh, watery, like small amount of color and more water, but you need to make a color like its opacity is like lassi. You know how the lassi is thick in opacity, and like that you have to make a color. And when you make such amount of color or quality of color, your color is properly applied on a surface as well as its look perfect, plain. Like here you can see our color is properly applied on a surface of the paper. Now adding some dark tone of the blue here. I am using here Persian blue color for these blue shades. If you want to use cobalt blue or ultramarine blue, you can use it, because there is no any rule for the colors in a 2D designs, that which color we are going to use, cobalt, Persian blue, ultramarine blue. All are from the same family, but if you told that you have to use a secondary color or the Persian blue, then you have to use these proper shades of these colors. Now we are using all dark blue shades. In the design we have to balance any colors. Like, you know the rule, if you use any color in one part, you have to balance it somewhere in this design. Like that, here in a right up part we use red color scheme, and we balance in a drawing part on a leaf and some other parts. We are using here a yellow color, a mango yellow color. You can use lemon yellow also here, but I think on a white paper if you use lemon yellow, it's need not seen properly. So if you use a slightly dark shade of the yellow, this look nice. Now we are going to balance this color on our leaves. You have to balance the color somewhere in a drawing, so you get a vibration of the color. This is one of the rule for the design. Now on a pink surface I am using this yellow color. I know it's not seen properly, but we should apply a second tone on this yellow so it's look nice. Now I am applying one tone, after I am applying a second tone so that it's look nice. Now I think yellow color is done. Now I am making more lighter blue color for this part. That means we are using three tones of blue color here: light, middle and dark. For the guitar we use two tones of the colors, and this is more lighter blue color. On this red color, when we use this yellow color patches, this look nice. Let's see how it look. Very nice. The combination of red and yellow. Inside part we add some more dark color so that we can show a depth. And this color we are going to balance somewhere. Now we are applying a second tone. See, now it's look brighter than earlier tone. While applying on a yellow color, you add some white color in yellow to increase the opacity of the color. Here we are using black color, so we can show extreme depth part, and this is a domination part of the drawing that I am going to teach you afterward, because this is also a rule for the drawing, domination, and it's an advanced rule. So in 10th we are going to learn what is domination and how it's balanced in a design. We draw some lines with a blue paint directly with the brush, just for the connectivity. As you know, when we make a 2D designs, we use curve lines for the objects, for the geometrical objects, so it's interconnected with each other with this curve line, and this same technique we are using here for the connecting all the objects together with these lines. With the black line we are draw the all outlines and some lines. This also you have to need practice. If you want to draw these lines with a black macro tip pen, you can do it. Right now I am using a 0 number brush, and directly with the brush I am draw these lines. This need a patience. Like that, you can use black macro tip pen for this outlining. You can draw all lines with the black macro tip pen. Now there is a variety of the black macro tip pens are there. This is 0.5 lead black macro tip pen. There is a variety like 0.7, 1. You can use 0.7 lead black macro tip pen also, so you get a bold line. Now all the objects we outline with a black macro tip pen. As I earlier told you that first we are going to color full drawing, then with the black macro tip pen we outline the full drawing. We are going to draw a white lines with a 0 number brush. If you are not comfortable with directly brush, you can use whitener also, or there are white pens also there, white gel pens, that also you can use. If you want to use silver pen for the highlighting, you can use it. This is your choice. how it's look. I'm using here white color so that you can look properly here. If I'm using silver color here, it's might be not visible here. That's why I'm using a white color dots for the dimensions and the clarity. Now we starts with the write up. For the music I am using a white color. I think on this red surface, dark red surface, white is the dominative color, and the heading, main heading require dominations. That's why I use white color here. I can use a yellow color also here, but I'm already used a yellow color in some parts of the drawing, and that's why I'm using white color, so that's its most highlighted part of the drawing. Music. Now for the event I'm using yellow color. This is brighter yellow color I'm going to use here. Same mango yellow color, but I'm adding white color in this mango yellow color so that the shade gets a brighter tone. This is our heading, so it must be highlighted. That's why white and yellow combination. Now shadow I am showing with a black line. Here also, if you want to use black micro tip pen or 0.7 black micro tip pen, you can use it for the comfortable lines. I'm directly write down with the brush. Because I want to practice to write down. If you're not comfortable, you can write down with the black micro tip pen. But there is a difference while writing with the brush and a pen. You experience when you make or write with the brush and the pen. I put some more details on the event and music, so it's look dominative. I am using light blue color for the color academy of music because I wanted to balance the blue color that I use in a drawing part. If you observe, I am using same color that I use in a drawing part. This is a one kind of rule for the design, balancing. I am using yellow color for the event because I am using yellow color In drawing part, I am using blue color, light blue color in Kala Academy of Music because I am using light blue color in a drawing part of guitar, and I am using white color in music because whole background of the drawing part is a white, and I wanted to balance this white surface with this music part. Now this Kala Academy of Music you can outline with the black microtip pen, so its look more prominent. Organized by with the black color. Outline the Kala Academy of Music with the black microtip pen. Now if when we add a outline, look at is highlighted more and look prominent. If you want to add some details, you can add it. Now only the date is remaining. I am outline this date with a black microtip pen, and the middle part and color with the white color, and here we have completed our drawing and coloring. Thank you. Best of luck.